From this video, you will get tips to prepare for C_Fiord 2502 SAP Certified Associate, SAP Fiori Application Developer. C_Fiord 2502 Exam Overview. C_Fiord 2502 Key Information. Key Knowledge Domain. Preparation Tips. 1. What are the limitations of OPA 5 test? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. It never causes a test to fail. B. Testing across more than one page is not possible. C. End-to-end tests are not recommended. D. The developer needs to create the test during development. Answer: B, C. 2. Your customer asks you to demonstrate their app with localization changes. Which activity do you perform? A. Configure the supported languages settings in the project JSON file. B. Show the IL8N properties file translations. C. Use the preview frame in the run configuration. D. Configure the run configuration file in the app. Answer: B. 3. What activity does the QUnit stub functionality perform? A. Supplies parameters for method calls. B. Provides parameters and return values for method calls. C. Retunes values for method calls. D. Verifies that expected methods are called correctly. Answer: B. 4. Why does SAP Fiori use an intent-based navigation? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Apps can be developed and deployed in parallel. B. The concrete app targets can be deployed separately. C. Interdependent targets must be deployed in a single transport request. D. To support cross-app navigation. Answer: C, D. 5. Which features of the SAP Business Application Studio help you extend a standard SAP Fiori app? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. A wizard to generate the files for each extension possibility. B. The extensibility pane to choose extension points. C. An editor to modify the data model in the extended project. D. The descriptor editor to choose elements for extension. Answer: A, B. 6. What does coherence refer to in the SAP Fiori design principles? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. A consistent interaction and visual design language. B. Design for business users' needs and their work. C. Solves multiple use cases. D. The same intuitive experience across the whole enterprise. Answer: A, C. 7. In a SAP Fiori Hub deployment, where is the SAP UI5 application code stored for a transactional app? A. SAP Backend Server, BES. B. SAP Frontend Server, FES. C. SAP HANA XS Engine. D. SAP Web Dispatcher. Answer: A. 8. You are developing SAP Fiori Elements applications. Which of the following actions are available in SAP WebID? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Create an annotation file associated with the OData service and add annotations. B. Add catalog to user menu in a PFCG role and grant the role to user. C. Create a catalog, target mapping, and tiles. D. Choose the OData service as data provider for the project. Answer: B, C. 9. You develop an SAP UI5 app that updates data on the SAP back-end system. What activities are required when you implement an XSRF token? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Retrieve the token and send it with each write request. B. Execute the refresh method for an expired token. C. Include the token in the HTTP request body of each write request. D. Generate a token on each read and write request. Answer: A, B. 10. Your customer extends an SAP Fiori app with view replacement. Which activities do you perform? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Create an SAP UIS view that replaces the complete view. B. Create an SAP UIS control that replaces the original control. C. Verify that adding custom content in the extension points is not sufficient. D. Identify a specific SAP UIS control to be replaced. Answer: A, C. Subscribe and like past question.